You know how we do weekly recaps every weekend, Sunday? But what is week in Azerbaijani? Master Azerbaijani word of the day today has həftə. Həftə. Həftə can mean week, all right? See how did I pronounce it? Həftə, not həftə. Həftə is when the transition happens between consonants and their counterparts. So here, T turned into D. Let's see some phrases. Next week, to go through the week. Gələn həftə, next week. Həftəni keçirmək means to spend the week, to go through the week. I have even better sentence examples, so stay tuned. There they come. Gələn həftə imtahanımız var. We have an exam next week. Gələn həftə next week, imtahanımız us. That's how I know, because technically in this sentence I did not use we, us. But how do I know? İmtahan, exam. İmtahanımız, our exam. Means there is our exam next week, which is the right way of translating. We have an exam next week. See another one. Mən həftədə 2 dəfə idmana gedirəm. Very common, very easy, and very useful sentence. Watch. I go to the gym twice a week. See how we said? So over here in the word həftə, you see suffix də. It means in the week. 2 dəfə, 2 times in the week. That's what it means twice a week. Mən, we already know this. This is I. İdmana gedirəm. İdman technically means sport. I'm going for a sport, but that's not what we mean when we say it. Every time you hear this sentence, someone goes to gym to exercise, basically. Or doing some sport practice. Where? In the gym. So, I go to the gym twice a week. Mən həftədə 2 dəfə idmana gedirəm. I said it too fast? Let's slow down. Mən həftədə 2 dəfə idmana gedirəm. All right? That was Azerbaijani sentences of using the word həftə. I have another one for you. This həftə, you learned at least 20 new words. Yes. And we're going to continue because you got to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, you know what to do. Cheers.